हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज आप लोग देखेंगे मेरे चैनल पे माउंटिंग कैसे करेंगे हम लोग आर्टिकुलेटर
maxillary occlusion ring. This is the mandibular occlusion ring. Dimension, note down the dimension. So interior dimension is 4 to 6, 6 to 8, and 8 to 10. Where the deepest point, measure from deepest point, it must be 21 mm, and this is 18 mm. Okay. For mandibular, it must be measured from, mark the retromolar pad, divide into two, posterior third, middle third, and anterior third. It must be at the height of junction between anterior 2/3 and posterior 1/3. So this is the line. You extend the line up to the heel and check. It is up to that level. That means occlusal plane is all right. So how much must be the height at the level of anterior 2/3 of retromolar pad? Then mark the neutral zone. Neutral zone is imaginary line, which is line passing through the center of retromolar pad along the crest of alveolaris. This line. Okay. This line is also called crestal line because it passes through crest of alveolaris. That's why it is called crestal line. So this line also. So this line comes somewhere. Okay. Then delineate the cast for mounting. Draw a line straight from anterior to posterior and scrap the cast. This is articulator. This is called bone wheel articulators. Bone wheel articulator is made according to the philosophy so-called equilateral triangle. Triangle of 10 centimeter, 10 centimeter, 10 centimeter, 10 centimeter. Arranged, settled in center of the triangle. Okay. We will decide the center. Where the center? Superior inferiorly, medial laterally, and anterior posteriorly. it must be in center. This is anterior most, so this is the posterior one. This will be the left lateral. This will be the right lateral. Now fix it in the same position. So you need a wax. Take a sheet of wax, soft it. And make a roll. Make a roll such that there should not be any air entrapment, and it must be tightly rolled. This way you can roll it. Placed here. One. Two. Now before placing here, check it out whether your relation is alright or not. Jaw relation. This is the cast is in centric relation, where maxillary is overlapping mandibular. You can see here there is a 2 mm overjet is provided. Maxillary is 2 mm ahead than mandibular anteriorly, and posteriorly it is little bit less. So this is class 1 relation. Okay, class 1. In class 1 relation it is. Now mark it. This is midline. Okay. This is side of the midline. We are going to arrange central incisors, then lateral incisors, then canine. Similarly in mandibular, central incisors, lateral incisors, canine. Now seal it. It must be sealed before mounting so that it will not move. So sealing, just warm your wax knife and seal. This way you can seal. Seal it gently, just very gentle hand. Just place between the wax ring. Just draw a line like it's going to seal. Yes, it is done. So simple. Okay, now it is ready. Your jaw relation, maxillary and mandibular cast rim is in centric relation. Now I am going to place in the center of the triangle. Okay. To imagine that, settle the wax downward. It must be equally moved. All the 3 ports of wax must be equally pressed. Now you can check. The vertical rod is in the center of, so it is little down. So push this wax upward. That's why I have kept the wax. You can take, instead of modeling wax, you can take which wax that is softer and easily moldable. So now you can check, this is at the level of occlusal plane. Okay, interiorly this space and this space must be equal. This space must be equal. This space must be equal. So now you can take a thread so that you can position it laterally equal. Take thread and adhere both the side of one in the center. Okay. In the center. Okay. Now check it out. The space here is more, space out here is less. So what you do? You move toward this side in little bit. Now you can check the space this side and this side. And maxillary member of articulator space is equal from interiorly and posteriorly, from this rod to incisal pin, this rod to the cast, and interior vertical rod to the ring. This space is also equal. So that means your cast is verified, it is in the center of equilateral triangle. Confirm. Now we can mount the cast. Take a bowl. Pani, water. Ball malera. Sprinkle powder until all the powder saturates for a strong creamy mix. Some more powder. See, bubbles are coming because it is not sprinkled well. So now we mix it well. Remove all the bubbles. This is called spatulation. More the spatulation, better the plaster mix, creamy mix. Tapping, extra bubbles will come out on the surface.
Or vibrate it.
Or you can use mechanical vibrators. See the bubbles. So remove those bubbles. Mix again. Make it ready for wet the surface. Make sure all the extra water is removed. Absorb. So no extra water now. It is wet. So I will put a little bit plaster. Spread all the surfaces, all the groups initially. Place in the center. Now close it. And distribute the plaster everywhere so that it tightly bind between the cast and now you can use your fingers for uniform the surface, remove the extras from the cast. It must be at the joining area only. Tightly packed in the end. Now with the help of water, smoothen it. Clean the areas. And is clean as well. Now you separate the wax rim from where you have sealed. Just place a scalpel or PP knife or a wax knife you can make a thin section between the rims from where you have sealed. Separate it gently, right? And make sure this two attachment doesn't get loosened. Now it is mounted. Look, mandibular occlusion ring with cast with lower member of articulator, mandibular occlusion ring with cast on upper member of articulator. This is going to be reference And now we can start arrangement of this. Your articulator does have some settings. This is condylar guidance. It moves laterally. You can see the movement. Right lateral movement and left lateral movement. And then it can move anterior-posteriorly also. So let it be, wrap the upper member and lower member so that it will not expand. Plaster may
आई
expand
होप आपको
and
ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा होगा।
इसमें
प्लीज़ आप लोग मेरे चैनल लाइक और सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा।
okay.